Can you all hear me? Hello? Can you all hear me? Hello? Hello? Can you all hear me? Okay. Okay, so we are not going to spend much time. Let me explain some things. Quite all right. At the moment, I'm very bullish on dollar. I'm very, very bullish on dollar. And if dollar can close like this, the dollar can close here, dollar can close like this, then definitely we are going to have a long time buys on dollar. We're going to have a long time buys on dollar if United States dollar can close that way. So meaning that we have this high to break. We have that high to break, right? So we have that high to break. So the structure has not changed. We could also be in a retracement phase until this high is broken. And what am I looking at? Well, I'm not looking fully into the buys. I'm not looking fully into the buys. If you're going to have a proper sell, then this low has to be broken, right? This low has to be broken. That if you are going to have a proper sell. So let's see wait, because today is Monday. Whoever can decide or tell what will literally happen in the market. So because this never can tell what will happen in the market. So having that, let's look at some pairs. I dropped a signal on okay, so sorry about that. I dropped a signal buying Euro JPY, right? Good afternoon, ma'am. So I dropped a signal buying Euro JPY, and this is the signal, right? So what I would just say is, in as much the fact that I'm looking towards bullish sentiment for Euro JPY, right? We still need to break some certain highs. So we still need price to break this high. I don't think this is correct. Maybe it's due to the network. But I still need this high broken. Once this high is broken, then we can continue buying. I say this setup here, right? So I see the setup here, market rejecting this support level, which is also serving as a breaker to this zone. Can you see? So we have a break. So support becomes what? Support becomes resistance. So that is why I am still very much bullish on UJ, Euro JPY, and also the fact that Euro JPY took out this low. So whatever that movement we are having could be a retracement, you never can tell. And if this current candle closes below this candle, then it means that sellers are coming in on board. Then I'm going to sell. I'm going to change my direction from buying to sell. Okay, so if it does, I'm changing my direction from buying to sell. But since it doesn't, so we have not fully, I actually wanted us to buy to this high, that is a 157 region, before we sell. Not that the market is not on a selling spree, but with this kind of movement and this kind of setup, market could decide to move to the top side. So we've had a false signal, And that's why I said if this current candle closes bearish, current 15-minute candle closes bearish, and the next one closes bearish, I will get out of this buy and enter the sell because you have a market taking out this side. Oh, okay, this is an equal high. This is an equal high, right? This is an equal high. Okay, so I'm still in the market and let's see what will literally happen. CAD JPY. Sorry, please. CAD JPY. So the reason why I'm also buying CAD JPY is because number one is that market is at this resistance zone, this level, right? So we need a proper retracement or probably market push up before selling. So that's why this level is also another high area I'm looking out for. If we have market hunt in this level, we have a rejection. So if this confirmation also, if this second candle is rejecting, then meaning that we might look towards selling and getting out of all the buys and prepare for a proper sell, right? So I'm still looking at the market and I'm still looking at what will literally happen for CAD JPY. So I've given my insight on Euro JPY, right? Also, I've given my insight on CAD JPY, also giving my insight on dollar. So I'm going to look at Euro USD. Euro USD. So Euro USD, right? Euro USD, since you are looking towards bullishness of dollar, wow. I think Euro USD is in for a long time sell, provided that we have market taking out this low. So if this daily candle closes with this rejection, then we might enter a long time sell for Euro USD. Although we've had a break of this high, market has taken out this high, right? That's why it is pushing down heavily. But our entry will be at a retracement, as this zone is also a strong zone. So we just need price to break this low. We need market to break this, then retrace, then continue selling. That is what we need market to do, to break that low, retrace, and continue selling. So Euro USD, we still have to be very, very patient for the sell to come in on board. Okay, so we're looking at gold. So we are looking at gold, quite all right. And looking at gold, all we just need to do for gold this afternoon, we are very, very bullish on gold. We are extremely bullish on gold. And whatever we are doing, let's just keep buying gold. Okay, because I said something last week. Okay, so this is what I saw last week. Oh, let me check out this thing. So this is the reason why I said I'll be very, very bullish on gold last week. Yeah, quite all right. So market took out this low, took out all this low. We have a pullback, retrace, and gold is moving to the upside. So gold is going to 3,000, and I'm looking towards more for gold, 3,000 and more for gold. So gold is heading high. Gold is heading towards 3,000 and more. Okay. So what we just need to do here, we just need to continue buying. If you are selling gold, you are wrong, although we missed the entry. So there's no entry for gold at the moment. Hopefully when we get to this high, 295.1, we'll look for an entry. But there's no entry because the market took out this low and start moving to the top side. So let's look at what will happen for gold. I might give us an entry for a retracement on gold. So that is that this afternoon. There is not too much pair that I want to look out for. Euro JPY, please be at alert. I might give us an update on Euro JPY. Not what I'm looking for is confirmed because, I mean, I'm seeing presence of sellers in this very market. So maybe we get out of the buys and enter sells. We never can tell. Okay, maybe we get out of the buy and enter sells. We never can tell. So these are what we are still looking at out for in this very market. Any question or you want us to look at for any pair? Okay, since there are no questions, that's 100 euro. Give us sure signals to trade. I don't do that, please. I don't give sure signals. I don't give sure signals, Mr. Damilari. Okay, so daily we are having a rejection here. So hopefully, if that rejection holds, we might be looking towards selling Euro AUD as well. I think Euro is kind of weak, and this is my next line of action. If you want short signal, you can join our funded client group. There we have enough signals to give in that zone, in that group. So if you need short signals, like you said, you can join our group, but short signals for traders like you. So, Mr. Damlari, are you a funded client? If you are a funded client, you'll be receiving short signals. So, Euro AUD, I'm looking towards bullish sentiment because market has changed direction. I also hope to see if this we have a good confirmation. Okay, no problem. So once you have a good confirmation, then we can enter our Euro AUD. Okay, so like I said, JPY, Euro JPY, I'm still looking at the market conditions here. I'm seeing a total reversal for a buy, but it seems that we are still having some push from sellers, right? So we still need to wait for further confirmations. NAS 100, NAS 100, NAS 100. So looking at NAS 100, I think I'll be bearish on NAS 100. I don't know, but I'll be very, very bearish on NAS 100. I'll be bearish on NAS 100. Because of this. So we might take a short sell on NAS and target this low. Target 21611. A short sell on NAS and target 21611. Okay. So that is that this afternoon. Good afternoon, everybody. All of that signals will be dropped on our funded client group. Please take note. Thank you very much.